Introducing the DualShock 4 with refined analog sticks and precision triggers for complete control. Play wirelessly with Bluetooth or directly via USB. A dynamic light bar that shows your status. An interactive touchpad for more ways to play. Motion sensors and advanced tracking for immersive VR experiences. Share your greatest moments in seconds. Upload screenshots and videos and live broadcast your gameplay. Available in a range of different colors. Discover new ways to play with the DualShock 4.
PlayStation